Hey guys, I'm back on this Ford Transit. The starter was acting up, so I came to look at how it looks. I see some green in there, so the starter is right here. There's the starter, there's the solenoid. I'm gonna spray, I'll show you in a second with what. Maybe it's gonna help. What it was doing in the morning, it didn't want to spin, it was struggling to spin. And then after a few tries, it started. But what you do is one of these plastic caps over the red wire. You just take it out, pops out. I've seen some water over there, so I think water's been getting there and it got a little bit corroded. So I'm gonna spray with I'll show you. Hold on. I'll spray with this and see if it helps. So the starter is located under the passenger side. You go under. Let me see if I can do this. But it's not too hard to get to it. So it's on this side. Like I said, it's right there. This up. The cover looks like. Pops out from here, and from here. So I think I'm gonna try to take off the wire, sand it a little bit, see how it looks. Or maybe I'll take the whole starter out. I'll see. Forgot to mention, before you mess with the wires, make sure you disconnect the battery that's under the seat. You don't want to shock yourself. Don't forget that. Do that first before you mess with the starter, with any wires on the starter. Okay, so the wire is down. See how green it is? Came out pretty easy. I think I used, what was it? Half of these. The big one. The little one I didn't get to it yet. I don't know if I'll take it off. I'll see. But for now, I want to sand this. I decided to take it out. This is how it looks. There's two screws like this. One goes here, one at the bottom, one at the top, one there. So this was a 10. That's how it looks. It's the empty spot. Where it goes right here. There's one screw here at the bottom and one at the top here. They're very easy to get to. And it's a 1/2 inch for those two screws. These are the tools that I used, so I had to use this before on those two screws. And it was easier to use one of these to break the screws loose. And then I used this, which, like I said, it was 1/2 inch. With these two. And for this was 1/2 inch, and for this was a 10. I use these. So put this here, and then 1/2 inch for this. And then I use the 1/2 inch for these. Like I said, I started with this, and then I use this. And you see how it looks, all rusted, green. So probably I'm gonna get another one. I'll see how much it is. I'll go and test it and see what those guys say. If they recommend to change it, I'll change it. The rebuilt one, it's the same one. They rebuilt it, cleaned it, greased it. They didn't change anything on it, so should be good to go. That's it. It's back in. It wasn't too bad. There's the ground. Make sure it's tied right here. And by the chassis over there. And that's it. Thank you for watching.